of Technomathics. So today we'll be seeing few questions from linear equation in two variables, where you can see that the questions which I have selected are specifically two questions from the series of linear equation in two variables. And let me read out the question first. Okay, the question is that 7 times a two-digit number. So first of all, you need to understand the two-digit number. Two-digit number. So how a two-digit number looks like? As the name says, it's a two-digit. So let's say the number is x is the one of the digit and y as another digit, right? So this is the two-digit number. Now it's given that 7 times a two-digit number. If this is the two-digit number, then 7 times this two-digit number, right? 7 times this two-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit, is equal to 4 times the number found by reversing the digit. So if the digits will be reversed, then y will come first and x will come later on, right? Now if the difference between the digits is 3, so another relation which is given to you as, if the difference between the digits is given to you as equal to 3, this is one of the criteria, right? Then you need to find the number. Then what is the number? What is the value of xy? Okay, that we need to find. So here students, you can see x is on 10th place and y is on 1st place. Similarly here y on 10th place and x on 1st place, right? So the above equation can be written like 7 times 10x plus y, just writing the place value, right? Place value of x is 10 times and place value of y will be 1 time, so it will be same. So this is equal to, this will be equal to 4 times yx. That means 4 times the 10th place, at 10th place y is present, right? So we can write it 10y plus the ones place, that is x, right? Now just solve it. This will give you 7 into 10. This will give you 70 x, 70x plus 7y is equal to, into the RHS we have 40y plus 4x, isn't it? Now here you can see when x will be coming to the LHS, right, it will be 70 minus 4, which is coming as 66. So LHS will be 66x, and when 7 will be going to the RHS, then RHS will be 40 minus 7, which is coming as 33y. So 66x equal to 33y, right? I'm writing 66x is equal to 33y. So this will give you from 33, 66 is divided in 2 times. So we can say that 2x is equal to nothing but y. This is one of the relation which is derived. But it's also given that x minus y equal to 3. X minus y equal to 3. So what will happen if x minus y is equal to 3? So let me write it. Since x minus y is equal to 3, this is the relation you can see which is given over into the question, this one. So if x minus y is 3, then we can write, if you substitute the value of y as, or x as 3 plus y, right here, x as 3 plus y, or y as, y equal to 2x here. Just substitute. If y will be equal to 2x, then in place of x, just write y by 2 here. Y by 2 minus y is equal to 3, right? So this will give you, since 2x was equal to y, so we substitute the value of x from here as y by 2. So y by 2 minus y equal to 3. So this will give you 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 2y in minus is equal to 3. Right? So this will give you the value of y as 6 minus. But y could not be equal to minus 6. Right? Why? See here. It's given that 7 times a 2-digit number. So 7 times the 2-digit number was 7 times 10x plus y. Right? Is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digits. So this was 10y plus x. Now here you can see 70x plus 7y is equal to 40y plus 4x, right? So this give you 66x equal to 33y, which give you the relation between x and y as 2x equal to y. But it also given that the difference between the numbers by reversing the digit was 3. So we have considered x minus y equal to 3. With this we get the value of y as negative, right? So this will not happen. So just take the reverse of this. Not in place of x minus y, take y minus x, right? So if y minus x is equal to 3, right, and y is nothing but 2x, so in place of this y, write 2x. So 2x minus this x is equal to 3. So this will give you the value of x as nothing but 3, right? And this is a positive value. You can see this is a positive value. Now if x was is equal to 3, then from here we have calculated it, then y can be calculated from this relation. Since y equal to 2x, this give you the value of y as equal to 2x, which is coming as 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So the number is xy. You can see the number is xy, right? So the two-digit number is nothing but x, y, not multiplied, it's a tens place and it's on unit place. So instead of x, in place of x, just use this number 3 which we have defined, which we have evaluated. So that is equal to 3, and in place of y we put this number 6, right? So our answer is 36. So 36 is that two-digit number. 36 is that two-digit number where 7 times that two-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. So let us check it. So 7 times the two-digit number. So as per the question, 7 times xy is equal to nothing but 7 into 36, and this will be coming as 252. This is coming as 252, and into the question it was asked that it is equal to 4 times the number, is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. So reversing the digit, that means yx, and what will be the value of yx? This will be 63. So this will be 4 multiplied by 63. Here you can see the number is 36 initially and later on it was 63. So this will give you 432, carry 1, oh, 252, again the same number. That means we have verified. Thank you, super programming. Thank you so much. So here you can see these two numbers, that is 7 times that two-digit number is equal to 4 times that number obtained by reversing the digit, and that we have verified it because 252 is equal to 252. So that means our answer is perfect. Our answer is perfect and correct. So students, you can verify your answer rather than just checking. Yes, definitely, if you are going to see and you have the answers with you, that's fine, but with the question also you can verify your answer, either it's correct or not, right? How we did it, you have seen it, right? Now coming to the two question series, the second question for today, that is two numbers are into the ratio 5:6. So let me write it. Two numbers. So I will say let the numbers as x and y, right? If the numbers are x and y, then it's given that two numbers are into the ratio of 5:6. That means if the number we have considered is x and y, then their ratio is given to you into the question 5:6. This is the data given to you into the question, right? Now if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, that means if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, that means x minus 8, right? the ratio will be changing up to certain extent. So it's given that if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, that means x will be x minus 8 and y will be y minus 8, right? So if 8 is subtracted from each of the number, the ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Then this ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Now we need to find the number, right? So here you can see it's a linear equation in two variables. Two equations will be forming. Here the one equation will be given by the first relation and the second equation will be given by the second relation, right? So here from the first you can write x by y is equal to 5 by 6, right? So this is one of the relation which we have. Now x minus 8 is to y minus 8 is 4 is to 5. So this can be written as x minus 8 by y minus 8 is equal to 4 is to 5, right? Now just substitute the value of x from here into the form of y. So if you substitute the value of x, it will be 5 by 6y, isn't it? X will be equal to 5 by 6, which is already present into the RHS, multiplied by this y. So that is 5 by 6y. 5 by 6y is the value of x minus 8, right? And this 5 will be going into the LHS. So this will be multiplying 5 by 6y minus 8, and this will be equal to 4 times this y minus 8 going into the RHS, right? Hi Divyanshu, how we find a square root of any number? Oh yes, a square root of any number, yes, there is a method through which we can find, but let me complete this question, Divyanshu. I will explain it. Okay. So I got your query. Thank you. So 5 into 5 by 6y minus 8 will be, here you can see 5 into, let us keep 5 as it is, and if you take the LCM as 6, it will be 5y minus 48, because 8 into 6, right? And this is equal to 4y minus 32, right? So this will give you 5 into 5 will be 25y, and 5 minus 5 into minus 48 here you can see. So this will give you 240, right? 5y minus 240, which is equal to 6 times 4y minus 32. So 6 will be multiplied with 4y minus 32, right? Is it okay? Now from this step, here you can see, here we have an equation where there is only one variable. You can see y is only present over here, y, right? So because x is already eliminated through equation number 1, that is x equal to 5 by 6y. So that we substitute over here. In place of x, this x we put 5 by 6y using the relation, that is equation number 1. This will give you 25y minus 240 is equal to 24y minus 12 192, right? So when y will be going into the LHS, 25y minus 24y will be equal to 240 minus 192, because the sign of minus will be changed to plus into the RHS, right? Now this will give you the value of y as equal to 240 minus 192, which is coming as 10 minus 2 is 8, 3 minus 9 is 13 minus 9 is 4. So y is coming at 48. Y is coming as 48. So one of the number you have identified, and that is equal to 48, right? This is the answer, and you identified one of the number, but another number is not known to you. It's very simple. Using equation number 1, since the ratio of x by y is 5:6, so from here we can write, that is from equation number 1, what we can write? We can write that x is equal to 5 by 6 times y, what we have substituted earlier. So the value of x is coming as 5 by 6 times y, and y is nothing but 48, right? 48. So 6 will divide 48 into 8 times, and 5 into 8 is 40. So the value of x is calculated as nothing but 40. So in this way the value of x is also identified. So the two numbers which was asked into the question was x and y, and the values of these numbers are 40 and 48. 48 is the second number. Here I am writing with different pen. 48 is the second number, right? And the first number is calculated as 40, right? So students, in this way we have solved this question, right? So coming to the Divyanshu, are you still over here? Can you confirm into the chat? Divyanshu, super programming. If you are still here, let me know. I will explain how to find the. I will just take up your question. I think you left the chat. No worries. So students, thank you so much for watching. Just be connected, and I will come up with further more live sessions and try to explain the questions with some fundamental concept which will help you in building your concepts. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. See you.